Wait, before you drink your coffee or skip breakfast, look at this. This lemon and this piece of ginger can awaken your energy, restart your digestion, and detoxify your body naturally in less than 5 minutes a day. I know what you're thinking. Another detox drink that doesn't work. But I promise you, this one is different, simple, natural, and backed by science. Imagine, you wake up in the morning, your stomach feels lighter, your energy slowly returns, and your taste buds awaken with that slightly tangy and subtly spicy flavor. That's exactly what I'm going to show you how to make in this video. And tell me in the comments, have you ever tried a homemade detox drink? Yes or no? I look forward to reading about your experiences. So, if you want to learn the exact recipe, to discover why it works and how to easily integrate it into your daily life, stay tuned until the end of the video. And above all, subscribe for more natural health tips. And like this, if you want to boost your well-being every day. 2. The problem, health context. So why do we need a detox drink like the lemon and ginger one? If you're like many of us, you sometimes feel a persistent fatigue even after a good night's sleep, and bloated belly after certain meals, or even energy levels drop in the middle of the day. It's not just because you eat badly, it's also because of our modern lifestyle. Stress, pollution, fast food, and excess sugar and salt can all contribute to these problems. Even though our body is capable of cleansing itself naturally, sometimes it is a bit outdated, like a computer that is lagging because it has too many tabs open. And that's precisely where lemon and ginger come in. These ingredients don't work miracles, but they help your body digest better, support the liver, and to stimulate the metabolism. To give you an idea, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism Studies have shown that ginger can reduce bloating and improve digestion in just a few days. And lemon, rich in vitamin C, it supports the immune system and helps reduce fatigue. And tell me in the comments, do you often feel tired or bloated after meals? Your response can help the entire community understand that you are not alone. A little anecdote. I have a friend, let's call her Claire. She constantly felt tired and had trouble digesting certain meals. She thought it was normal, until she tried a simple lemon ginger drink every morning. A few days later, she told me, I didn't think a simple glass could make me feel so light and full of energy. So before we get to the recipe, please note this. It's not just a drink. It's a small daily gesture that can make a real difference to your well-being. And one more question for you. What is your biggest digestive problem right now? Write it in the comments. I will read your answers carefully. 3. The solution, recipe, and scientific explanations. Now that you understand why your body needs a little boost, let's move on to the simple, natural, and delicious solution, the Lemon Ginger Detox Drink. Why these ingredients work. 1. The lemon rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps your body protect itself from free radicals and boost your immunity. It promotes bile production by the liver, which improves fat digestion. Some studies suggest that vitamin C contributes to reduce fatigue and increase energy. 2. Ginger A, natural anti-inflammatory, used for centuries to soothe the digestive system. It can reduce nausea, improve blood circulation, and even help stabilize blood sugar. A study published in the Journal of Gastroenterology has shown that ginger can reduce bloating and stimulate digestion. The simple recipe ingredients: 1 lemon bio, 2 to 3 centimeters of fresh ginger, 500 milliliters of hot, not boiling water, 1 spoonful of honey, optional. Preparation: heat the water until it's lukewarm but not boiling. Squeeze the lemon into the water. Finely grate the ginger and add it. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Add a little honey if you like the sweet taste. When and how should it be drunk?
In the morning, on an empty stomach to stimulate digestion. After a hearty meal to relieve stomach pain. In the afternoon, for a natural energy boost. Practical tips to maximize the effects. Drink the beverage lukewarm to avoid irritating the stomach. If you have sensitive teeth, use a straw to protect the enamel. Vary the recipe with turmeric, mint, or cucumber for various health benefits. Make a 5-day treatment, then take a break. This allows you to feel the effects without overloading your body. And there you have it, a simple, natural drink, quick to prepare, and one that can really make a difference in your daily life. Tell me in the comments, do you prefer milder or stronger ginger? And if you like these kinds of easy recipes, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything.
And if you like this video, like and share it with someone who is looking to take care of their health naturally. 4. Example or true story. To show you that this drink doesn't just look pretty on Instagram, let me tell you a true story. A few months ago, I recommended this drink to a friend. Let's call her Sarah. She was complaining of a constant fatigue, of bloating, and had trouble digesting certain meals. She thought it was normal and that she just had to deal with it. I told him, just try this lemon and ginger drink every morning for 5 days. No extreme diet, no miracle promises, just a small daily gesture. After only 3 days, she sent me a message. I feel lighter, I have more energy, and I hardly ever get bloated anymore. And after a full week, she incorporated this habit into her routine. In the morning before breakfast, she also started drinking more water and walking a little every day. Result, a noticeable improvement in his digestion, less fatigue, and a real boost of vitality. This story shows something very important. It's not always drastic changes that make the difference, but small, simple, and regular habits. And I want to know, what is a small health habit you have adopted that really changes your daily life? Write it in the comments. I'm curious to read them. And there you have it. You now have in your hands a simple, natural, and effective recipe to boost your energy, improve your digestion, and give your body a boost every day. Remember, this isn't a magic potion. It's a small daily gesture, easy to integrate into your routine, but can make a big difference to your well-being. If you enjoyed this video, click on like. This helps me tremendously to create more health content for you. And above all, subscribe to make sure you don't miss any of the upcoming natural and easy-to-apply tips. Share this video with a person who wants to take care of their health naturally. Believe me, it can really help him. Before you leave, please tell me in the comments, what healthy habit would you like to adopt starting this week? Have you ever tried a detox drink? What did you think of it? I read all your comments, and I love replying to them. And finally, remember this: your body is your best ally. Take care of it, one small step at a time. Thank you for watching until the end, and I say to you, see you very soon for another dose of natural well-being.